talking hype, lighting up a skylight with dynamite, circling your mind like a satellite. Yeah, like a satellite. 1, 2, 3, to the bit, to the ball. Hola, hello, like boom, boom, boom. Always connected, electric. Yeah, so come on, come on. Taking off like a rocket. Ain't nobody gonna stop it. Iconic, cause it's never been done like this. Woo, yeah. Never been done like this. Never been done like this. No, yeah. No, never been done. No, never been done like this. We put the on in the phenomenon. We put the arm in the ba-ba-ba-bomb. We let the beat go on and on and on. And on and on and on. Taking off like a rocket. Ain't nobody gonna stop it. Iconic cause it's never been done like this. Never been done like this. Never been done. Never been done. Never been done like this. 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 Never been done like never been. I'm taking off like a rocket. Ain't nobody gonna stop it. Iconic cause it's never been done like this. Never been done like this. Yeah. Never been done like this. Never been done like yeah. Never been done like this. Never been done like this. Never been done like this. Never been done like this.
So listen up. I bet that you have heard this too many times, but I need your love. Oh, it gets lonely in this gangster's paradise. So hurry up and quit pretending like I came for nothing tonight. I said I need your love. You got me burning up. I think I'll call you Mrs. Fahrenheit.
Today, we are going to learn about marketing. Cue that beautiful intro.
They call me crazy cause I'm facing all my giants, but that's just me, I'm gonna live out in defiance.
I'm going to put this nicely. Online marketing is a jungle, but you already know that. So, let's take a look at 2 prime examples. Marketers marketing to marketers. How can you go wrong? Buy my course. You won't regret it. How can I go wrong? And that's it. That's online marketing in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed my lesson today. Tomorrow we'll have a look at social media.
They call me crazy cause I'm facing all my giants. They try to scare me into thinking I can fight it. They tell me I should never even think of trying, but that's just me, I'm gonna live out in defiance.